This is the unboxing of the Marky Sparky Doinkit dartboard. This thing's got a few good things going on for it. That's going to be a relatively unexciting unboxing, considering I can already see the inside of the box. Doinkit darts are flexible, strong, and virtually indestructible. That's a pretty large claim. Oh, here are the darts, the indestructible ones. Good luck destroying those. I don't even have fins. And here are the world's greatest magnetic darts, in our opinion. Well, at least I feel like there's a lot of honest people working at this place. Or at least one honest person. Maybe the lawyer knew that they couldn't back up that claim. Like, these aren't technically the world's greatest magnetic darts, so we better let them know it's just our opinion. This has not been accredited by any organization. Alright, enough about the darts. Oh, wait, hold on. Neodymium magnet. Oh, wait, there's some special things about this. This dartboard has a double score and a triple score, unlike most dartboards. Oh, and it has a 50 points and a 25 points zone. Yeah. Alright, enough about the dartboard. Let's unbox this thing. That's why we're all here, after all. Okay, you know what? Do I even have to unbox it? Maybe I can just get it out without unboxing. Check that out. I'm cheating. I feel wrong. Oh, it's taped on there. And this may be the best unboxing yet. Alright. To the victor go the spoils. Okay. Whoa. That's cool. Nothing hiding under here. Alright. Consider it unboxed. Have fun with this thing.